Hi friends. Hi friends, welcome back to another Python tutorial series. In this video, we'll be diving into advanced list operations. We'll be covering adding, removing, and sorting elements. So let's begin. So let's define our list that let's take fruits for example. Apples. Let's take another fruit. Mango. Start with mango. So we define our list. So let's talk about how we add elements. How do we add elements? So for adding elements, we use the append function. So what append function does, it adds an element at the end of the list. Let's see fruits dot append. Let's add orange. Let's try to print this list. Let's try to print this list out. So list. Oops, let's run this. So as you can see here, we have printed out the fruits after adding orange and we have added this function. That function have added an element at the end of our list. So let's see if we print the length of fruits here and we print the length of fruits. So here you can see it was 4. So length before appending was 4, length after appending here is 5. Why is that? So as you have seen in tuple, that tuple is immutable. That is, we cannot change it, but it is not case in our list. So in list, we can change, we can do changes, we can add, remove, and append elements in our list. So here is the proof that list is a mutable data structure. So let's try another example. Let's try to remove. How do we remove an element from a list? Let's remove banana. How do we do that? For that, we have a remove function. That is a list name and remove. And here we define element that is banana. Let's print this out. Here you can see this after removing of this function. You can see list after removing banana, there is no banana over here. So let's print out the length. You can see the 4 elements now present in a list. So let's see what else we can do. Let's try another function, that is sort. So what sort does, it sorts the element. See, if they are numericals, it will sort in ascending order, or and if it's in alphabets, it will sort them in alphabetical orders. So let's see it in action. Let's see fruits dot. This is the function. Let's. This is the sort function we use to sort our list. Let's print this out. Sorted list. Run this. Here you can. Okay, so it was already sorted. So let me add apple here at the end. Just check it out. See, here you can see apple was at the end, and here you can see apple is at the first because we have sorted our list. So so this advanced techniques will give you more control over your list and make your code more efficient. And please stay tuned for even more powerful list methods in next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding. Thank you all.